Another unexpected breakdown? Your machines stop, your production halts, and your profits take a hit. Sound familiar? Welcome to Avigna AI Private Limited. At Avigna, we aspire to create a world where technology and sustainability are seamlessly integrated, resulting in a more connected and conscious future. We are on a mission to transform 1,000 companies by enabling them to build products that are both innovative and sustainable. Now let's continue our discussion on equipment failure and how IoT eliminates it. Do you know, unplanned equipment failures can eat up to 20% of your revenue? Emergency repairs, disrupted schedules, wasted resources, it's a nightmare for any business relying on machinery. The traditional approach? Routine maintenance checks or waiting for breakdowns to happen? Both cost time and money. But there's a smarter way. IoT-powered predictive maintenance changes the game. Smart sensors continuously monitor temperature, vibration, pressure, and other key indicators in real time. If an anomaly is detected, like overheating or unusual vibrations, you get an instant alert before the machine breaks down. Instead of guessing, your team knows exactly when and where maintenance is needed, reducing downtime and extending equipment life. With IoT, you move from reactive maintenance, fixing issues after they happen, to proactive maintenance, preventing failures before they occur. Ready to eliminate costly downtime and keep your operations running smoothly? Let's talk! Book a free IoT consultation today. Visit our website, email us, and join our social media family.